Good day every day. Everyone, I have giving best wishes about our 75th Independence Day. Tomorrow there is a 75th Independence Day of our country and we will celebrate our 75th Independence Day. For this Independence Day we are we will we will be celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav because we got independence after 75 years. After so many years, sorry, so many years after we got the independence to our country. Therefore, after getting independence, we traveled 75th year, and in 75th year we developed our country more and more. Before 75 year over India there is a control of British rule, and British rule is in the India is up to 160 to 180 years, and in the 160 to 180 year British rulers uh, controlled our country India, and to become free India, so many great leaders, so many great peoples fight and struggle, and they began so many non-violence campaigns and movements. After struggling, after fighting, and after non-violence campaigns, we got free India, we got independence, and due to getting independence, we celebrated 15th August 1947 first Independence Day. And there are so many great leaders which fight for our free India. There are they are Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru, Dr. Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmibai, Sarojini Naidu, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, Ravindranath Tagore, and Mahatma Gandhi, and there are so many freedom fighters and great warriors and great leaders also. Uh, they started violence campaigns and also non-violence campaigns. Some great peoples believed that a pen is mightier than a sword, and they wrote about our India, and they awakened our India, and getting together all people fighted against the British Raj and achieve this Independence Day. Therefore, for our inspiration, for our motivation, and for remembering the struggle, the fighting, and the campaigns, non-violence campaigns of great leaders, we will celebrating this Independence Day. So, government of India declared that 12 March 2021, from 12 March 2021 to 15th August 2023, that period totally becomes 75th weeks, 75th 75 week. And from this year we will celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav up to 15th August 2023. In this Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, there are so many events, there are so many programs to celebrate our Independence Day. This flag hosting tomorrow will start will start this Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, and we enjoying and we celebrating this Independence Day. Therefore, thank you for all great leaders. Thank you for all freedom fighters who gave us this Independence Day. Therefore, I think that this Independence Day, which is 75th Independence Day, is very important for our Indians. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.